नमस्कार, मनीषा एस्ट्रोलॉजर। आज आप सभी के सामने लेके आई हैं कुछ डिफरेंट टॉपिक रिलेटेड टू आवर बिजनेस, योर बिजनेस एंड डिफरेंट बिजनेस. I give you some answer according to this questions. Our question is related to accounts, GST, turnover of company. What is the penalty for late filing of tax audit report? What is turnover limit for GST audit? It's an interesting topic. What is included in turnover for tax audit? And what is the limit of tax audit as 44AB? How many tax audit can be done by a CA? I give you answer. First question is what is the tax audit of 44A? Because according 1 crore rupees presently under section 44AB of the Income Tax Act, every person carrying one on business is required to get his accounts audited if his total sales, turnover or gross receipt in business exceeds 1 crore rupees in any previous year. Second question, how many tax audit can be done by a CA? 60. It is important to know that chartered accountants have a limit on the number of tax audits reports that can be filed. The maximum number of tax audit that can be undertaken by a chartered accountant is limited to 60. What is included in turnover for tax audit? Very tough questions. Sales returns, price of goods returned should be deducted from the figure of turnover, even if the returns are from the sales made in earlier years. However, if shares, securities or etc. are neither in trade, the sale proceeds therefrom will form part of turnover for the purpose of tax audit. March 28, 2021. What is turnover limit for GST audit? 2 crores. 2 crores all about GST audit for taxpayers. With annual turnover above 2 crores, GST audit will apply every year for those GST registered business GST 10 having turnover more than rupees 2 crores by the sale of goods or services in the financial year January 5, 2021. Is turnover with or without tax? Turnover is usually the top line of a business's profit and loss account, which starts with its income. If a business is registered for VAT, then its turnover will be its sales without VAT, because the VAT element is not money the business has earned and will keep. It is money that way has to be paid over to HMRC. What is the penalty for late filing of tax audit reports? I give you answer. In case of a delay in completing audit and submitting the report on time before or on September 30th, then 0.5% of the turnover, a maximum of rupees 1.5 lakh, has to be paid as penalty if there is a genuine reason for delay or non-filling of audit report. Then as per section 27(3)(b) on penalty will be applicable. For more information, you can contact with me 9999786732. You can visit on our website related to this topic. And that's it. Take care. Bye bye. Namaskar.